Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw Deku from My Hero Academia together. Are you ready? Let's start! Trace the strands of hair on his forehead. Draw the outline of the face and draw the mask around the neck. First the central part and then the lateral ones. Trace the lines inside it, just like I do, and draw 8 small circles on the front side. Trace the necklines and start drawing the eye with a line similar to the letter C. Draw a slanted line for the eyebrow and 2 ellipses for the iris and pupil of the eye. Do the same thing for the second eye. Drawing a line with the shape of the reflected letter C. Draw a slanted line and 2 ellipses. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Now draw the nose, mouth and 4 dots on each cheek. Draw the ears. Trace the outline of the head by drawing the locks of hair. Draw the jacket, first the band on one shoulder, 2 buttons and the piping, then draw the second band on the other shoulder. Continue the jacket by drawing the lines of the arms, a line in the center, and 2 armbands. Then end up the drawing with an horizontal line. Wow! Our Deku turned out great! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use green for the areas of the eyes and for the hair. Use pink for the skin. Use dark green for the pupils, hair shadows, the mask inside, corners and circles. Also use it for armbands. Use gray for the neck mask. Use petrol green for the jacket. And badge for the parts above the shoulders. Excellent! Our Deku is ready to fight new enemies. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!